Hey everyone, Carlos over at bearbulltraders.com. I want to walk you over my trading recap from this morning. IMMU was actually an amazing opening range breakdown that came up in our scanners. We did not have this on our pre-market list, watch list, but it did hit that trade idea scanner, and Andrew also mentioned it in the chat room for a possible short. So the stock had a great open. It sold immediately at the open. Then it kind of stalled here a little bit, did a pullback, which was a great opportunity for us to take a short. I did hesitate a little bit in this entry, in this trade. A great entry would have been up here or even closer to the 935 open of this candle. But I still got in for good risk to reward and was able to take some profits on the way down. So once I got in, I saw this indecision candle here, and this was a bit concerning because I figured, it might not be as weak to reach this level or this one here. So on the next candle, what I did is I took some profits out right at the low of the previous candle just to secure some profits. It did pull back once again, and then it did this nice big drop here. I took some off at this moving average, and then the rest here once it kind of started slowing down with the momentum. Just left a little bit just in case this will bounce from this moving average or this level, this moving average, back to test this one here or the low of the day again. It didn't quite do that, so it just took the rest off for a profit of 263. Wish I would have taken more shares here, but since I missed the perfect entry, which would have been here, I just took a smaller size just to play it safe. Then the next trade we had was on ENPH, and this stock was kind of a little choppy at the beginning, but then we had this clear engulfing pattern here. So right at the VWAP, we kind of went in for a short. Again, only took 2,000 shares. Even though this is a lower price stock, it's not a low float. I think it was a mid float stock, so you're able to manage your risk a lot better. So took 2,000 shares. It did pull back, right, testing the VWAP. It didn't quite crack it, so I stayed in the trade. The minute it dropped, I took some off, and then I took the rest here because it was just not getting that push towards the low of the day. So I didn't want to hold it through another pullback, and glad I didn't, because it just did another engulfing pattern here, and then it did this push towards the past the VWAP. So again, that's my day, 387 for today. Let's see what the market brings for us tomorrow. Thanks, guys.